All right. Where are we at right now?
The Omaha Zoo.
Make sure you speak up so I can hear you.
The Omaha Zoo.
All right. So we'll talk about the Omaha Zoo tomorrow. Today we're going to talk about day what?
4.
Day 4. What did we do on day 4? Who's going to tell me what we did?
Me.
Okay. Whoever.
Me. So we went to Spaghetti Works.
Spaghetti Works in Omaha?
Yep.
Yeah. And what is Spaghetti Works?
An awesome place where you have to buy pasta first, then soda first. Then you can get refills of pasta, sodas.
All right.
Free.
Stevie, do you want to say that so we can understand?
You get free refills on pasta and cream sodas, however many times you like. And the cream sodas are delicious. And we also went to Sedalia today, Mom's hometown, as a teenager. And yeah, that's it.
Okay. So what were your 3 best things yesterday for day 4?
Spaghetti Works.
Let's let Perry go.
My 3 best things was Mom telling stories about her awkward dates, and
Talk nice and loud for me.
and the and Spaghetti Works and Mom's hometown, Sedalia.
All right. Who wants to tell me their 3 best things next? All right, Roger. What were your 3 best things?
Spaghetti Works, Sedalia.
What did you like about Sedalia?
Sedalia, I liked that.
Look at me.
I liked that I got to see a place I haven't seen before.
Okay. What's your 3rd best thing?
Driving in the car with my special family.
Oh, your special family. Okay, Stevie.
My 2 favorites were Mom telling stories and Spaghetti Works and reading my book, A Wind in the Door, second to A Wrinkle in Time.
Okay. What was your favorite cream soda flavor at Spaghetti Works?
Cream soda.
Cream soda?
Milky Way.
Milky Way?
Milky Way was my favorite too.
Milky Way. All right. Here's your question. What's the weather been like at the Omaha Zoo today?
Snowy.
Snowy?
And slushy.
Slushy?
Yeah.
Coldy? All right. Just kidding. That wasn't your real question. Your real question is, what do you never leave home without? What do you always like to take with you?
A stuffed animal.
A stuffed animal?
Shoes.
Shoes? That's lame. Stores make you wear shoes. That's the only reason we wear shoes.
Shirts.
Try again.
Pants.
Very. Okay, this is hard.
Oh.
What do you always want to take when we go?
Your family?
I always Luna.
Luna? Nice. Roger? Perry? Oh, you said stuffed animal.
Yeah.
Perry? Or what stuffed animal while Perry thinks? Roger?
Oh, my sloppy.
Your slothy? Do you want to throw him his slothy?
What?
Dad has it in the bag. We even brought it to the zoo, huh?
Off stage.
Off stage.
On stage.
All right, show us slothy. Nice. All right, Perry. You're the last one.
You always bring your family.
You always like to bring your family? You don't go anywhere without us? Yeah, that's more or less true. All right. Say goodbye. End of day 2. Or no.
Day 4.
Wait.
Today's day 5.
Today is day 5. Yesterday
Was day 4.
was day 4. All right.